Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade spot trading on Binance. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel so as to get more information about Binance and crypto. And you can check in the video description. I have pasted my link there. Click on my link to create a Binance account if you don't have a Binance account. And Binance will give you 300 USDT trading fee rebate. So now let's get started. So you can see we have the trade icon here. You click on the trade icon. When you click on trade icon, you see we have convert spot. Okay, so automatically it will be on the spot. So when we say spot trading means exchanging one crypto for another. Yeah, so this is how it goes. And always make sure you select the right spot trading contract. Okay, so this contract is on Bitcoin and USDT. So when you first go to or launch your spot trading, it will be on the 1 inch and USDT. So you have to change it. So how do I change it? You click on the same thing and you go to USDT. When you go to USDT, then you select BTC against USDT. So when this is done, then you can see before you can trade on spot trading, you need to fund your account. You can see my available balance is 0. So how do I fund my account? You click on the plus sign here. When I click on the plus sign, then I have peer-to-peer trading, deposit crypto and transfer crypto. So if I want to do peer-to-peer trading, I do it. If I want to deposit crypto, I do go to deposit crypto. And then if I want to transfer fund from one of my wallet to the spot wallet, then I do so. So I have USDT on my features account or features wallet. So I want to transfer from my features wallet to my spot wallet. So I click on transfer. So when I click on transfer, you can see transfer from funding to spot. So I change the funding to USDM. So I select USDM, that's the features wallet. Then you can see my features wallet amount is 0.133 USDT. So I want to use or transfer all of them to my spot wallet. So I click on mass. When I click on mass, then I just press confirm transfer. So when I click on confirm transfer, it will automatically be transferred. So my available balance on my spot trading is now 0.133 USDT. So now that I have founded my spot wallet, then you can see this section is what we call the order book. So the order book, the top one, the red ones are for the sell book and that of the green ones are for the buy. You can see on the spot trading platform we have the buy and we also have the sell. So with the buy, you can predict if Bitcoin goes high, you should get profit, and you can also predict if Bitcoin goes down. By choosing sell, you make what profit. So now that I want to go with the buy, so you see we have what is called limit. The limit here, when you click it, limit means you want to trade at a specific price, and we have the market here. The market here, you want to trade at the real value of the market price. Okay, so now that it is on limit, then I just go to, and from here you can see we have this candlestick chart here. So when you click on the candlestick determines the movement of the price asset. Okay, so the movement of the BTC against USDT. So every green candlestick determines an increment or determines a buy, whereas every red candlestick determines sell or short. Okay, so that's how it goes. So now that I have this, then I just go, you see, now that I want to trade here, then I can say it is on limit. So now that the Bitcoin is 27,468, when the Bitcoin reaches 27,400, let's say 400, then I want to enter into the trade. Okay, then I just select the amount I want to use to trade. Okay, unfortunately my balance is 0.1 USDT, so the minimum amount that I can use to trade is 10 USDT. So if I point 0.1, it won't go because it says insufficient balance, because the minimum trading value should be 10 USDT. Okay, so that's how it goes. When you are done with the amount you want to use to trade, then you go to the buy option. When you click on the buy, you see your order will be at the open orders, and you can choose to cancel your order anytime you want to cancel. The same applies to the sell. Okay, so this is the limit, and with the market, you not see the price that you want to set that at your own specific price. No, once you select the market, then you automatically enters into the spot trade. This is how the spot trading works if you only want to trade on spot trading. Okay,